Hello guys, this is Jerry. I have a bunch of Parkside hand tools here. I bought it from LIDL, France. Yes. I have I bought this cordless grinder, 20 volts. It's a cordless. This is the charger, and this is the battery. Sorry. And this one is circular cutting, steel cutting saw, metal cutting chop saw, also from Parkside. So let's unbox it and test it if it's good quality or not. First, we unbox the angle grinder. It's cordless grinder. So let's unbox it. Here she is. The blade is also attached here. And this is the handle with some tool to press it, to lock it, and to tighten this blade. And after, we can put it inside, and then we can put it here if you want, for better handling. And this is the switch. And after, the battery. So, like that. There's a dial here. I think this is for the speed, for the power. So let's try. I think this battery has not it's very try number 2. Number battery. This is the problem in number 6. It's a bit problem in the switch button. Stuck. Yeah. Sometimes it's very hard. This Parkside is German brand, but I don't know which country they made these tools. It said manufactured 2023, and there's no because I hate made in China. So the last is this circular cutting. No. Voila. Here she is. Oh, it's very big. Some Allen key, and it's the manual. Voila. Here she is. Parkside metal cutting chop saw. 230 volts, 50 hertz, 1280 watts. Voila. So hello guys, let's test this Parkside angle grinder with the 20 volts battery. So we set in the powerful settings number 6, and let's test this steel bar. Okay. Yes. Stop. So, look. Wow, wow, wow. It's nice, but I think it's a little bit 1, 2, 3, go. So it's nice, not bad. This is with rubber. The plastics is it's a hard plastic with rubber. Look, I think it's okay for beginners like me. This is my first cordless grinder. Look. Wow. And now let's test this circular saw from Parkside. So guys, let's test it. Our circular saw. Voila. Yes, good. It's about, I think this is the 12mm steel bar, and you look, we got it for just only, I think, 10 seconds. Wow, it's good. We can use it in our next project. This is the unboxing video about my circular saw and angle grinder from Parkside. It's good, not bad. Yes, magagamit natin to sa ibang project natin dito sa France, at papadala natin sa Pilipinas in the future. Okay, thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channel, Jeremy TV. Merci beaucoup, au revoir.